to my channel. So today I'm finally getting to, I've been procrastinating for weeks, opening up the things that my mom and my sister thrifted for me. So they did this about a month ago and I've just been sitting on these packages waiting to open them alongside of you. So what I'm gonna do is open these, see what they are. I have no idea, it's a surprise. And then try them on, style them up. I don't know how many things they are. If there's not a ton, I'll do it both ways. If there is a ton, it's TBD. But we're gonna style some things up and we're gonna have a little fun evening, okay? So here we have 2 boxes. And I didn't really tell her anything that I want or anything. I just kind of said, go thrifting for me for a video. And they did. I believe they were in Florida. Alright, so here we have the first item. Oh, if you're new to my channel, my name is Mallory. I live in New York City. I do thrifting content, fashion. I work in the fashion industry full time. And I do YouTube on the side as like a little fun thing for me to do. So make sure to subscribe if you're into this stuff. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post a ton of stuff there. And I also have like an LTK, a Poshmark. All the stuff is in my description box if you want to check that out. And just continue with the video starting now. Okay, now that plugging myself is out of the way. Alright, here we are. Item number 1. What in the world is going on here? Is this top? Ooh, I think it's like a little top. That's really fun. I need to hurry up and wear this before the end of summer. But I think it's a little tube top with a little flounce. Look it up close. A little pattern. I think I can tie it in the back. We'll try it on. First item, check. So cute. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Kayla. And for the box, I'm glad there's nothing like, what's the word, so bad in here. Hopefully it's not broken. It's a squirrel mug. Oh wait. Squirrels. Oh my god, little girl. Well, I guess they're like chipmunks, but they're like golfing squirrels. Now that is just too cute. Precious. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we have a bag. Mom, really? Okay, now it should get easier from here. I'm starting to sweat. Alright, so there's, ooh, this is quite fun. What is it? Oh, it's a mock neck. This is literally paper thin. I've never seen anything quite like it. This is so cute with like a trouser. Okay, we're gonna just style things up once because this is a big pile. So fun. It is, no brand. Alright, cute. Another thrifted find. Thank you. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, joie. Ooh, I like. This will be nice to wear right now because it's like fall transitional. Little joie button up. Super cute. I love this brand. It has like little ruffle details and a big puff sleeve. New tags. Ooh, very nice and very, very cute. Okay, fun. And then what's next? Some pants. Oh wait, some shorts. Now these are interesting. They have like this little detail here. I saw this on the Abercrombie website. This little shorts. These look like they'll fit really nicely. I don't know. We'll try them on. We'll give it a cheer. What else are we working with here? Ooh, I like this already. Oh my god, so cute. Misty Lane. Oh my god, it's so cute. It has these little pearls on it. It like kind of is giving costume, but in a great way. Like I love this scallop. And then y'all, look, there's a bow on the back. This is so fun. I'm gonna dress up as like the Queen of England, rest in peace. It's very funny. Like it could either be really tacky or like really cute. I don't know, we'll try it on. I might cut it, we'll see. Let's see. All right, I think this is the last thing. Ooh, just a little New York & Company button up. This is so cute. I wish I had this when I did the Rachel Green video last week. It would be perfect for one of her outfits. So cute, love it. Okay, so all tops and a dress. So, and a short, and a mug. Oh wait, we still have more. Okay. Oh wait, I remember she texted me about these. She was like, do you think these are real? And I was like, you know what? I don't really know if they're real or not. But I think we decided that they weren't real because of this way it was stitched. But they're still gorgeous. Wait, this is huge. So cute. I'm gonna wear this as a little top. So we'll try that on. And then there's another one. This one definitely is not real. This is giving fake. What was it? Christian Dior. That one was Henry Bendel or something. This is not Christian Dior. This is She to the End. But it's cute. I like the coloration and it was thrifted, so it's not bad, right? Like if it's thrifted, it's okay. Wow, okay, so a ton of stuff for summer. I shouldn't have waited so long. Oh wait, no! And there's another thing. Another top. Wow, okay, lots of things. Urban Outfitters, super cutie. It's like a corset vibe. This will be good to wear with skirts and like a blazer in the fall. I'll try to make these fall vibes. We'll see what we can do. All right, so let's get to that. I actually have so many of these to do. I'll probably get back on and be in a different like outfit during the day. But wow, much to style up now. I love it. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Kayla. Okay, now to the try on part. All right, now for the try on portion, I'm gonna start off easy. I am literally kicking myself for not opening these sooner, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna film and then, you know, how that goes. So, but anyway, this is the Hermes scarf that's probably fake. I love the border. I think it looks so cute. And then these jean shorts fit me so well. I wish I had them all season. I mean, they're a little bit big, but I kind of like that just to be more comfy, cozy, but I totally could have used these in the summertime. But it's okay. Done. Outfit 1, so cute. For the second scarf, I kind of just, the fabrication is really not good. Like, it's so fake. But I think it'll make it easier to stay tied, honestly. So I like to wear the scarves with trouser pants. I love these from Abercrombie. I feel like if I keep it tucked in and just put a little blazer over my shoulders, like I can wear this in the fall, winter, like right now-ish. Like this would be really cute. It's Friday. I might go out in this tonight or maybe Saturday night, but a vibe. Really cute. Next is this super nice button up. I'm really into this look. I love the buttons here. It's really flattering. I can't decide, do we button up all the way or no? I think like this is cute. I put it on with this little skirt from Zara and these Schutz boots that I love. And I feel like I'm definitely gonna wear this winter, summer. You know, you can throw a coat on and it's perfect. So cute. Really into it. I also grabbed this little vest. I feel like this is so schoolgirl, that trend that started off last year and is like still happening, still in. I feel like this would be a good layering one because it's tighter, it's not like super baggy. What do you think? All right, and the next one would be this top, and I've seen a lot of these corsets be styled in like a layering way with tops like this. This is gonna be kind of hard to tell. Hang on. I don't know. It's like kind of cute. Maybe I would skip doing it with this exact two tops, but it's kind of cute. I need you to let me know. Is this a good look? Do these go together? Or is it like, should I try on the bigger one? I'll try the bigger one on just for this video, just for y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that this is not the vibe for me. It's like bunching up weird, like the back, it's like really pissing me off, to be honest. Like, no. The next one, I am literally obsessed with it. I already have tried on some outfits for it. I want to wear this tonight now that I have two options for tonight. I love picking out outfits on a Friday because it just gets me like very, you know, like I'm just very, what's the word, creative on a Friday. Happy, creative, ready for the weekend, in a good place. Anyway, I think this is really cute. Like, I kind of like it not tucked in. Is it kind of a vibe? But I tried it on with this red skirt and I think it's so gorgeous. I want to wear it for my birthday. One moment. Is this not the most darling outfit ever? I love the sheen together. This is a red skirt from Zara and then this, like, it's just so chic. I feel like if I saw someone wearing this, I would think it was like a designer or something, like Versace. Maybe not, but I feel like really chic in this. Maybe I could wear it now with a jacket. Like, hang on. Let's put on that blazer. Like, this is kind of a look. Why didn't anyone invite me to Fashion Week? I would have worn this and slayed. I would have slayed. Here it is on with some jeans. Still cute, totally cool. Maybe I'll just wear this tonight. I don't know, but it's so darling. And then we have this gorgeous joie new with tags, kind of boho moment going on. 100% cotton, did I say that? Look at the print, the puff sleeve. It's so cute. I do have a lot of stuff like this that I don't usually wear because I walk to work and so I start sweating, but now would be the time to wear it. Like, this would be the perfect outfit for right now. I feel like for shoes, I kind of want to do these UGG boots that I just got because I'm obsessed with them, but I'm kind of nervous to wear them outside in New York because I definitely want to wear them inside. And I would wear them inside more than outside, you know? So what do we do about that? Wait, you can't even see my full body. This is a little bit better. Okay, yeah, I kind of like this. Opened up, cute, casual. Like maybe with a short would be really fun too. Oh, I did grab these. So let's try on these brown leather pants. I think those look good. My problem with these pants is I don't really ever know what shoes to wear, but I think we can kind of spice it up and wear my cheetah mules. These are also joie, cute. Kind of pattern mixing, print mixing. This would be a really good office outfit, I think. Maybe I tuck it in, like, I've been doing this a lot lately, kind of tucking it behind. Do a little bump. What do we think? Cute, right? I'm definitely keeping this top. Okay, this one is hideous. I'm sorry, it's so bad. I don't know what the hell. Like, I wish it was all satin maybe and I could cut it, but I don't even like the combination. It's making me look really wide. I threw on like Y2K because my sister was like, it's giving Britney, like Y2K. I'm like, okay, but it's not for me. The back is fun. Like, everything is fun. I like the bow. Maybe I'll use it as a hair ribbon. Cut it up. What do you guys think? Do you think this is cute? It's Britney, bitch. Darn, darn. Like, I'm literally Lizzie McGuire. I can't. I'm done. Okay, so for this one, I can see where they thought, oh, Mallory will love this. It has details that I like. You know, the pearl, the floral pink, puff sleeve, scallop, fun, cute. I feel like I'm on a set of some kind of show. Like, this is a costume. Like, did someone wear this unironically? I can't even button this little bow. But it goes like that. I mean, it is huge, y'all. I think this is gonna be resale. I thought maybe I could like flip it, but I don't even think I like how big the shoulders are. They're so big. That's double, 2 of my faces on my hand. 2 heads on my shoulders. Like, it's too much. Maybe I'll keep it through Halloween. No, I should sell it now so people will buy it for Halloween. I mean, it's there. It's all like, I can kind of understand it. But I'm like, you're done. You're done. Has my phone been like this the whole time? I didn't even record anything, which is annoying. Okay, whatever. Alright, but that is going to be the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks, Mom and Kayla, for shopping for me. So nice. I love that. It's like fun to have someone go thrifting for you sometimes. And thank you so much for all the finds. Now you kind of know the ones that I will be reselling, and I do appreciate the finds. But make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I do new videos every Thursday. I do thrifting a lot. I do fashion trends. I work in the fashion industry. We kind of went through this in the beginning. But if you're new here, that's what's going on. So make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my video next week. I'll be thrifting this weekend. We have some stuff coming in the mail. Things are moving. Fall is happening. So I'm excited to share it with you. Thanks for watching. Bye!